Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you a simple way to get TRX if you're testing something on Tron network. Could be Trust Wallet, TronLink, doesn't really matter. If it supports Tron, this will work. Now you've probably seen this before. Wallet opens fine, USDT sitting there, everything looks exactly the way it should. Then you tap send, transaction doesn't move. First reaction is usually, okay, what's wrong? Maybe wallet didn't update, maybe network's taking longer than usual. Now, turns out it's neither. Most of the time, you're just missing a little bit of TRX. That's enough to stop the whole thing. Then you start looking around and every guide sends you somewhere different. One says use another wallet, another says freeze TRX, somebody else tells you to rent energy first. End up with 5 tabs open just trying to send one transaction. So before we jump in, make sure you watch this all the way through. There are a couple of small details that are easy to miss, and skipping one can slow everything down. A few weeks ago, I ran into this myself. Needed some TRX, started checking different options, and almost everything I found was either more complicated than it had to be, or just didn't look trustworthy. So I spent a bit more time digging into it, compared a few different approaches, and came across this platform. I tested it myself first, ran through the whole process a few different times. Since then, it saved me a lot of time whenever I needed TRX for testing, demo, or checking something on Tron. So let's get into it. I'll show you everything step by step. I'll leave link and pinned comment under this video. Don't just search for it yourself. Crypto's full of fake websites that look almost identical to real ones. One wrong click, connect wallet to wrong page, that's not risk worth taking. Better spend 2 seconds checking link than deal with problems later. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is pick how much TRX I need. There are 4 different options here, so just choose whatever makes sense for what you're doing. If it's a quick test, one option's enough. If you're working with something bigger, you can go with a higher amount. Next is duration. That's just how long you want access to tokens. You've got a few presets here, starting from 1 hour and going all the way up to 7 days. So just pick whatever fits your setup. All right, next I'm gonna jump over to my wallet and copy TRX receiving address. Just make sure you're copying the Tron address and not another network by mistake. Okay, last thing before sending, I'm just going over details one more time and then choosing how I want to complete transaction. I can do it manually by selecting token and network, or just connect wallet through Wallet Connect and approve everything there. Either option works, so use whichever feels easier. All right, transaction sent. Now it's just a matter of waiting a few seconds while protocol processes everything. Once that's done, TRX should show up in wallet automatically. Okay, TRX just landed in wallet. Didn't take long at all. And that's really whole point. Once you've done it one time, there's nothing complicated anymore. Next time you run into the same situation, you already know exactly what to do. No searching through 10 different videos, no trying random methods from forums, no guessing why transaction isn't moving. That was the reason I wanted to make this video, not just to show one platform, but to explain what's really happening behind the scenes. Once you understand why Tron needs network resources, everything starts to make a lot more sense. You're not clicking through random settings anymore or hoping one of them fixes it. You already know what to check first, what actually matters, and what you can safely ignore. After that, the whole process becomes routine. Open wallet, copy address, confirm details, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Whether you're testing a dApp, demo, checking smart contract, or moving TRC20 tokens around, you don't have to waste time searching for another solution every single time. If you've got any questions, just leave them down in comments. I've been using this method for a few weeks now, tested it more than once, and every time I've needed TRX, it's done exactly what I expected. Thanks for watching, guys.